Quirino Highway, particularly doon sa may San Andres bago dumating ng Osmeña yung ating river para luwagan yung laliman ng ating rivers dahil nagkakaproblema dito sa Paco. Dahil kahit walang ulan, umaakyat yung tubig sa lupa. And at that time, I was made, promise was made to the people of Manila by DPWH that they're going to fix it in 3 weeks. And 3 weeks have passed, tuloy pa rin yung nahihirapan yung mga taga-Paco na maakyat ang tubig dahil wala pa rin nangyayari. Be that as it may, ito tayo ngayon, yung commitment nila sa atin ng MMDA at DPWH na ayusin na itong floodgate na nasira noong kasagsagan na bagyo. And I was informed by the Korean consultant of DPWH and MMDA na yung para hindi mag-backflow, may gagawing mekanismo temporarily for the next 2 weeks. Then yung tunay na solusyon would be finished by March. So we are hoping before the end of the year, sana wala nang tubig na umakyat sa Paco area, sa community. And for the long term, sana maayos sa lalong madaling panahon naman yung nasabing floodgate.
Kung floodgate po na ito, gano'n na siya katagal gumagana o nasira?
Hindi, nasira lang yung
recent na bagyo?
Nung bagyo, noon lang. Kasi parang bumigay. Pag nakita mo yung tsura, bumigay. Parang may bumanggang matigas.
So bago nung bagyo, sir, gumagana?
Gumagana. Walang problema ang Paco. Ngayon lang na problema talaga. But it's been so many weeks now. Kawawa naman yung mga kapitbahay namin doon. But then again, I'm very hopeful na napapakinggan naman ng request ng mga taga-Maynila sa national government.
Ano po yung kakabitin ng temporary?
Stop block that will limit the backflow during high tide ng ating river, itong Pasig River. So that will cushion the load of water coming inland.
Marami po ba mga pamilya apektado?
Dami yun. Halos yung mga taga-Paco. Kasi mahaba ito yung pagkatin. Dire-diretso yan ang ganun. Kawawa na. Nakakalamok-lamok na doon sa area kasi may mga tubig na naiiwan sa kalsada na nag-i-start. But I am still hopeful na sana ma-resolve. Sumalubong naman ng 2026 na maginhawa sa mga kapitbahay. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Pag-iano nyo lang. So, marami barangays mo mayor affected sa buong Paco. Nagre-reklamo na yung mga constituents lahat sa tabi ng ilog. Kasi hindi naman binabaha yun. Kung nasira yung floodgate. Ano na, 3 weeks na akong nagsasakripisyo yung mga taga-Paco. Baka lang sakali mapabilis ito.
Our strategy, sir, is maglalagay po tayo ng stop log. Ang stop log po, ito yung mga steel frame na stop log na galing din po ito.
Para hindi mag-backflow.
Para hindi po mag-backflow. Ang naging dahilan po ng pagbaha kasi is kung mataas ang Pasig River, ito po papasok sa Paco River. Nagiging sadya ng pagbaha. With this stop log na ilalagay po, ito po ang kumbaga magpipigil yung sa difference ng kanilang taas ng Pasig at ng Paco.
Gaano katagal yun, Ricardo?
Okay, sir. Ito po ay how long do we install this? From 1 week to
2 weeks.
we have a plan, sir, as recommended by the consultant.
Yeah, we prepare this repair schedule. First 2 weeks is the emergency repair to prevent destruction from the plastic.
No, they stop at the back. yung backflow,
Yeah.
ilang araw yun?
How long do you intend to, or your plan to install this stop plug so that the flood water will not go into the
Temporarily.
Temporary.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mayor, the temporary stop plug po can be placed in 1 week.
Yeah.
Meaning, meron na po tayo rito dalawa. We intend to place 4. Kasi po ang taas ng
But
tubig.
you already manufactured the metal.
Yes, sir.
Ready na.
Yes, sir. Nung panahon po na akala natin ay walang nangyayari, we are fabricating this in the contractor's
Oh,
yard.
kasi 3 weeks ago,
That's right,
pinangako
sir.
niyo
That's
sa
right,
akin.
sir.
I went there
Yes, sir.
and I assure yung mga taga-Paco
Yes, sir.
na nakausap ko si Chairman Artes at saka si Secretary Vince na ayusin.
Yes, sir.
Eh, alam mo, hindi mo masisisi yung mga taga ron. Nagkakasakit na yung mga magkakapit-bahay. Wala namang ulan, may baha. But anyway, can you really assure the people of Manila, especially the Paco area,
Yes, sir.
in 2 weeks, temporarily,
Stop plug.
walang baha,
Wala pong backflow.
walang
Backflow,
backflow?
yes, sir.
Hindi, ang dahilan ng baha, backflow.
Backflow, that's right.
Oh, tapos, yung damage sa floodgate naman.
Okay.
Ah,
Ang mechanism po ng pagpapagawa o pag-repair natin is once we put the stop plug, wala na pong papasok na tubig. Kung tumaas man ang tubig ng Paco, nandiyan po ang MMDA. At a certain elevation, they will pump it out. I think 11.8 or something. Kasi yung 11.8, may mga barangay na pong binaba. 671, 672, and 674.
yes.
MMDA po magte-take care doon. Now, how do we take the repair? Gagawa po tayo rito sa ating pong floodgate ng tinatawag na working platform. Gaya po ng isang sirang vessel o isang barko, we need to place this on top of that. That is the methodology. Why? Kasi po nawala na po sa
Teka muna,
angulo.
lilinawin ko lang ha. Tinanggal niyo na ba yung attitude niyo na phase 1, phase 2,
Wala na po sir nun. Wala sir nun. Wala po para dito.
Kinakabahan na naman
This
ako
is
dyan
just
sa...
a repair sir. This is just a repair sir. So
Hindi,
wala.
kahit repair, may phase 1, phase 2.
And we show them the what we call this, the working platform where we need to lift this 50-ton gate, the whole of it, and place it on top.
You promise 2 weeks, no more backflow.
Yeah, we already got the permission from Manila City. So
Yeah.
hopefully they can install within 2 weeks.
No, you say promise.
Yeah.
Because I'd rather take your promise than the
Yeah.
old one.
I will try to support contractor.
So once na ito po ay ma-lift sir sa ating working platform, then ito po ay i-strengthen, pakitibayin. From the previous na bolts lang, pakitibayin natin, lalagyan natin ng mga plancha and bracing. And then once it is kumbaga completely leveled and squared, then ibabagsak na po natin ulit dito to restore yung ating pump.
Pero ano yan, tatanggalin ulit yung stop plug. Kasi doon din siya mismo
Yes,
di ba?
yes sir, that's right. Once, ang stop plug location po is different, from
different.
the group.
So hindi kailangan alisin
Hindi
habang
kailangan.
kinakabit to.
That's
So
right.
you can work separately.
Yes.
Yes sir, correct. So that is
Promise 2 weeks ha. Because I'm gonna tell
2 weeks stop plug sir ha.
Hindi, that's hindi. I'm telling you, what is important is the immediate action. The band-aid solution to lessen the possibility of regular daily flooding in the community is the stop flood.
Yes.
That we can assure the people of Paco in 1 week. Makukusyon.
Yes, that's right. Tama.
Pero ngayon, kung gagawin floodgate, ilan?
For the
1,
whole
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Main-
7, 8, 2 months.
Yeah.
By March.
second week of March.
Sige, importante lang naman kasi, alam niyo, I'd like to share it to you. Ang importante nalalaman ng tao yung period. Para naman may certainty. Kasi pag ganun, araw-araw, hindi nila alam kung may mangyayari ba o wala. Promise ha. March, finish. 2 weeks before New Year.
no more flooding. Hopefully, no more flooding
Yeah, yeah.
because of the stop lab.
Can you show me?
Okay.
Mayor, habang nandito po pala tayo, one issue is this material recovery facility by the DNR. Kasi ang ating pong train kailangan makalapit doon.
Umayag naman ba sila?
Pumayag na po sila. As long as we will restore. Diyan tumagal po.
Hindi, you cannot blame them. This is Friday.
That's right, sir, that's right. We have to be cautious.
Pero ito kasi nung araw, nung nandito yung river, masinop ito mag-alaga ng ilog namin dito. Yung po, but anyway, umayag naman na sila.
Pumayag sir, sir. We
Salamat
have a
naman.
written request and they approve.
Salamat naman. Ingatan nyo lang yung mga
That's sir.
Babalik naman nyo yan, di ba?
Yes, yes sir, yes sir. We will restore what we will remove.
Halika, silip mo nga. Sige sir, silipin
We can
namin siya.
look at this side po.
Ayun yung ano, mismo
Nasira na po. Saan siya nakakabigat?
yan, talagang nasira lang na. Lumangga.
Doon lang sa loob.
Kasi para itumbang yun.
Pressure na ng tubig yung ay lang.
Kahoy.
Malaking visibility. So the strategy is up po sa gitna, then iaangat yan. Yung mga bakal na yung sir, that is actually the I-beam na na-install na that will serve as the working platform. Diyan po ipapatong.
Basta walang kawayan ha.
Wala po. Wala po, sir. Wala po, sir.
Nakakabahan ako. Hardly ha.
Yes sir, apo.
Oo, kawawa naman yung mga tagapato. Mahirap yung mamuhay na araw-araw may kamay sa kalsada. May 20 ka ba? Bawat picture, bawat isang araw ha. Halika na kayo.
Salamat, Mayor.
Hindi mo lang sa akin. Sige, hindi mo. Nandun ako sa likod mo eh.